Most of you still don't know how to create simple website for your business. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple website for your business. In this video, so all you have to do is to watch till the end. If you're just meeting me for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. On this channel I share business ideas, business growth tips, and making money online in general. So if you like any of this content, do also hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification. And I'm on a 30 days consistency journey to starting up a business afresh with nothing at all. So in today's video, we are going to be creating a free website, a free simple website for our business. So in this video today, you're going to learn how to create a simple website like this, and the tool we are going to use today is actually going to shock you. So all you have to do is to watch to the end. In less than 10 to 12 minutes we'll be done creating this website. If you've been following this channel, then you must have downloaded your Canva already. So let's head over to our Canva app. So we are just going to search for website like we always search for things. So we are just going to let it load, and once it loads, I'm just going to add business consulting because that's what I do. So I want to see similar website to business websites. So I'm just going to let them load, and they are going to show me series of several websites. So I'm just going to scroll up, scroll past while I look for any design I actually like. So I'm just scrolling right now. I'm still scrolling, and now I've seen something I actually like this branding and design. So we are just going to edit this particular one. So we are going to go ahead to edit the branding and change it to what I actually do. So I actually do business consulting, so I'm just going to go ahead to edit it. So just watch while I do the whole editing. I'm going to change the color, the consulting color, back to that lilac color. So I'm just going to copy and paste. If you've been following this channel, I'm assuming that you know how to use Canva already. If not, I've made an extensive video on how you can use Canva. So I'm going to remove this logo that is up here. I'm just going to put in my own business name, which is Peace Business Consulting. I'm just going to put it up there. So we are simply doing the editing right now. Now this place that we have our work, I'm going to edit it to what I want to use. So I'm going to edit it to my own description. I'm just going to go to AI. I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to that I want to create a website. I'm just going to tell ChatGPT everything. So for mine, I want to put about us. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to give me something about us, about my brand. And ChatGPT have given me something, and I'm going to copy it and paste it. I also went ahead to ask ChatGPT for vision and any other thing. So I would advise that when you want to create your own website, you should actually sketch the things you want to do. Look at other people's website and sketch how you want your own website to be. It's very easy. So I'm going to just bring this image box down. I've removed the image that was inside. I'm just going to bring it down, and I'm going to go ahead to edit. I want to change this our work to about us. So that's what I'm going to just go ahead to edit it to the way I want my own to be. So I'm just going to go ahead to edit the about us. I'm still going to make the us. I'm going to make the us the color of the lilac color. I'm going to copy the our vision, and I'm going to edit it to become our services. Yes, and I'm going to go back to AI after then. So let's just quickly edit our vision to our services, just like this. So I said if you want to design your own website, just sketch out how you want your website to be, so that the designing will not be that difficult. I actually did not sketch out my own. I was just going with the flow for the purpose of this tutorial. So when I want to actually do a standard website, I'm going to come down, and there are so many other sites you can use to create free websites, free domain names. And in the course of this channel, I'll be giving you those kind of website that you can create your own website with their domain. You can just edit it, or you can start afresh. So we are just going to edit our services, everything we do in P-Store. We're going to put it out here. I'm just looking for a way to make design unique, because you don't have to follow everything that you see here. You just need to edit it so that someone will look at this website and not recognize that is their website. So we are going to edit everything and make it not look like their own, but we are just going to use their own design. So I went ahead to tell ChatGPT to list out my services, because my ChatGPT already knew about my business. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to head over back to Canva, and I'm going to paste it there on Canva. So I'm just going to go ahead to edit. I'm going to put in our business, our services there, my business services. I'm going to edit it there, and I just want to adjust this because I don't like the way it's on a straight line. So I want to make it on the in the middle. So I'm going to centralize it at the middle. I'm just going to put it at the middle, and I will try to expand the text to fit that middle place. So basically that's what I'm just doing here. So I'm just going to go ahead to centralize every other thing too, because I want them to be in the center. I don't like the way it was on a straight line. So I was just going, I actually want my website to be in one page, but by the end of this video I'm going to show you how the other pages of this website, how it looks like. So we're just going to centralize everything just like this. I'm going to try to make it fit in and make it look beautiful and organized. I'm also going to go ahead to adjust my image frame. I'm going to make the both of them to be at the same place. Then I'm going to just add how they can contact me. I'm going to put my contact address, and I'm going to put in my social media platform. I have the same name on all social media platforms, so I'm just going to go ahead to type my all social media platform name so that people can actually contact me when they click on the website, the link to the website. To insert our image in this frame, I clicked on elements, then I went to search for business, people doing business or business settings. Then I now put in two images I got from the element tag online. I searched for it. So I'm just going to go ahead to arrange everything before I now click on that eye dot. You see, if you see that eye stuff up there, I clicked on it. Then this is just how my website, I just kept on scrolling, because this is how the website looks like. It looks beautiful, right? For a first timer, it looks beautiful. So when I take my time, I'm also going to design it more, and there are still other pages. If you click on that three dots by the side there, you would see other pages. I'm going to show you how it looks like, but you can just click on it and publish it. See publish website, you're just going to click on it, publish it. Then this is the website link, the link to your website. When you share that link, if you can also shorten the link. I later shortened the link, so you can also shorten it. So I've published it, and it's just preparing to be live. So now my website is online. Anybody that clicks on my link can actually see my website. This is beautiful, right? Isn't it? So that's just it. I then click on the link, and it's just trying to load. Then this is how my website looks on a phone. This is how it looks on a phone. Later I'll use a system to see how it looks on system. So it actually looks beautiful. So one last thing, this website has other pages. So if you want to edit other pages of the website, you just have to scroll this other way to your left. When you scroll, you can see other pages of the website. So this is another page of the website, this is another page of the website. So that's just how it is. I just edited one page for the purpose of this tutorial. So now you can see creating a website for your business is actually easy, and people can actually start with nothing. If you like today's video and you learned something new today, do also hit on that subscribe button and share this video to any business owner that you know. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.